Okay, so not really a house that I made, not really a cabin, more of a lodge. So I'd like to take you in and show you the inside. So here's the porch area. Got the generator on, so you have electricity so you can get a little bit more light and perspective in here. So yes, here's inside the lodge. I got a log post here. This one supports the loft, and this one supports the loft and the roof up there. Started building this thing this year in June 7th, and finished it pretty much. It's finished. Right now is October 6th. Cool day outside. It's about 4 degrees, so it's actually warm. It's been minus here in Alaska, but it's warmed up. Some rain has come. So here's my little section of my pipes, a little pack of cigars, Cubans and stuff. Some blacksmith work that I did a while back. We got some hooks and everything. It's a little table, bench, dining table that I put together using logs, kind of like a picnic table deal. It's where we eat. Yeah, here's the kitchen area. I got a propane stove and water there. It's a dry cabin, so everything drains out and everything, in the sinks and in the buckets and all that. This is propane, so you just hook up a tank from the outside. Rigged all that together. It cost me $100 to buy this unit. So yeah, this is the eastern view. You get a lot of light in this cabin the way I designed it. I designed and built it all completely by myself. So you do get a lot of light here, east and south. It's quite nice, actually. Yeah, I just finished actually building this little sink area, kitchen area. This is the drip stove here, diesel drip stove. Right now it's on a setting of 2. So it's burning with dry heat, puts out a lot of BTUs when you crank it up. Right now it's on a low setting, so just keeping this place nice and cozy, not too over the top. It's probably about 18 degrees Celsius in here. I had some extra copper tubing, and I just rigged together this little, rack here, towel rack thing. Some blacksmith work. This is a paper towel holder that I made. My blacksmithing stuff. Just a little table here that I rigged together using side cuts. It's actually Sitka spruce side cuts. A little bookshelf that I made here. This is holds the Britannica's Great Books collection, which is a lot of good names, stuff I'll be reading this winter. A lot of good reading material. Just little side cuts. This is birch side cuts that I used. I just made all this, whacked it together. Free material, cheap free material. Got a heat lamp on right now, just providing a little extra heat. So this is the couch sofa area that I built. I custom built this thing, an L shape, using just 2x10s. And here's kind of how I put it together. As you can see, very easy. You can also store things under there. And then just put some foam and some mattresses and pillows on there. It's very comfortable. You can lay down here and relax, and then watch the fire. Watch the snow if it's falling or whatever. Watch this forest. This beautiful northern Alaskan forest. Going over here, actually, this is the sauna. I made this door and door handle. And right now we're using it as a kind of a refrigerator, actually. So keeping some refrigerated goods in there. It doesn't freeze, and it's much cooler than in here once we get everything going, the heating going and everything. It gets pretty warm in here, so we can keep stuff in the makeshift refrigerator. Going up to the loft. Here we're in the loft. Very warm up here, of course. All the heat goes up, and yeah, this is where we sleep. It's very nice up here. Got those windows in, so it provides a lot of light up here. And it's even better when the sun is shining. Today's a rainy day. Here's the door that I made to access the balcony, which you can see from out here. I'm not done with it yet, but you know, you go right out this door here, and you go into onto the balcony. I'll probably finish that next year. Make a proper balcony with some chairs and stuff. Now, what some of you might be interested in is I was able to bring some cigars. I smuggled some boxes of Cubans in the country. When I moved over here, I got some Partagas, and I got some MDOs, some of my favorite stuff, just aging it, collecting it, keeping it there. Got some Monte Cristo #1s. Brought some whiskeys in here too, so pretty cool. Happy about that. Special occasion type thing. You know, and then here from these windows here, you can see the land, driveway. If somebody's coming or something's happening, you can pop your head up and check out what's going on out there. So anyways, that's what it looks like. Quite cozy, quite comfortable lodge that I put together. And happy to say that it's warm and comfortable and keeps the rain off my head and the snow.